Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So, in this video, we are going to discuss how we set a password on our Windows 10 and Windows 11. How we set a password to our PC and the computers. So, the steps are very easily. Simply, we need to go to our Start button, click on this Start button, and here we have a Settings button. Simply, we need to click on this Setting button and here we have a different options. We need to go to the accounts to set the password. Simply click on the accounts. And here we have a option sign in options. Click on this. And the sign in, we have a different options. Here we need to set our password. We need to click on this. And here, currently we don't have any password. We need to add a new password here. So you can add a new password, confirm password, and you can also add any password hint if you want. So here I'm going to add any dummy password, and to confirm that password, I need to rewrite the password. And in the hint, it depends on you. You want to add anything or not. So we need to add same thing we want or anything like 1, 2, 3. This is my hint, and that's it. Here I need to finish this. So here you can check my password is updated and it's on the my PC and the system. So by using this simple step, you can easily change your password and you can easily add a password on your system. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take